welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, part two of the laundry room makeover. How's everybody's week so far? Pretty good? Okay, so I stained the shelves. You can see them here. I stained them. And I started bringing over all my, essentials, my OxyClean, all the stuff. Okay, what I really wanted to do, or what I really wanted to show you guys, first of all, let's just jump right into this video, okay? Because time's a ticking. I got a million things to do. Today I'm gonna go pick up my girlfriend from the airport. So I was like, oh my God, Bella, you gotta get that video up. Okay. So I've seen on Instagram, on other people's pages and stuff like that, people use very, very, very expensive containers. And they make their laundry rooms look beautiful. They make their refrigerators look beautiful and their pantries look beautiful with the expensive containers. I don't know. I just don't want to spend that kind of money. Like $10 and $20 to put stuff in is kind of odd to me. I'd rather spend the money doing something else. I don't know. Maybe you're like me. This is what I've come up with. I got 4 bins. I'm going to show you from the Dollar Tree. And I think they're very, very good. And I'll show you what I put in the first one. And here's the bin from the Dollar Tree. It's the fabric bins. I got all my, kitchen bags, kitchen garbage bags, the black garbage bags, anything that has to do with garbage bags, I put it in here. And I'm going to show you this. This is really good from Dollar Tree. It's a room mist. It's the Wizard. These are new to me. These are very new to me. I'm going to give you a tip on what I like to do. I like to spray room spray inside my garbage cans to make them smell good. And another thing I found, which I absolutely obsessed with, I've only seen them here in the US. They're the hefty bags with Fabuloso smell. Oh, amazing. I love those for my garbage can in my kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to put that all the way up, but I'm going to leave it here for right now. And then I'll show you what I did for my second one. And Angela's my big helper. She's helping us. Okay, my second bin is my surplus of cleaning products. So I thought that would be a great idea for the shelf also. So that's how I have them organized. And guys, $1 a bin is acceptable. $10 for a storage bin, not acceptable. Okay, my third one, and maybe you would like this, I put all my extra lamps and the extra little products that you need for your vacuum. That's how I and my Swiffer. And my little Swiffer thing and an extra pair of gloves. That's what I put in here. So cleaning and lighting is going in this one. And then Angela's going to put these up for us because, me and ladders, I'm not a fan. Okay, my last bin is decorating essentials. What I mean by that, picture hook thingies, these kind of thingies, extra, to hang pictures. This thing, oh my God, you all need this. It's a fabric shaver. I have this linked in my Amazon store, I think under favorites. This works wonders on your couch. So this is like decorating essentials that I'm not gonna use very often, that are just gonna go on the top shelf, but we're gonna put these up and you see how cute it looks. Okay, so me and Angela put 5 up there. The one in the middle, I put extra kitchen towels. So I got my kitchen towels up in there now too. So I'm really happy with that. So $1, but now let's get some decor, right? Decor is always really good. I didn't find much. I was rummaging through my stuff. I found this, my laundry room sign. I'm gonna put it up here, just so it makes it look cute. I think that'll look cute. You all see me? Okay, I know, the filming is so hard. And then I have two of these, and they're, aren't they adorable? They're pegs. I think they're so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put these up there. What is that? Looks cute. Okay, so that looks cute. Let me go find some more stuff. Okay, and a little greenery would be really nice. So I think I'm just gonna put this up here, and that looks cute. Now I'm thinking I should, okay, I have this little sewing kit. This is my little sewing kit. So I think I'm gonna put my sewing kit over here, because I do use it. And then to mimic that basket, I'm just gonna put this basket over here. Okay, cute. Now for this bottom shelf, well, I gotta put the useful stuff, right? But you know what I'm missing? My scent beads. I didn't get scent beads. And you know what I saw on Instagram and TikTok? That people put these in their detergent in jars. And you know what? I do have jars. 1 second. Okay, Angela and I got a great idea. We have a set of these Mason juice jars. And we used to use them back home in Canada. We'd have a lot of, like I'd have a lot of people over, and I'd do one with juice and one with water or one with something else. And you know, when we'd host parties, but I don't have a lot of people here. So Angela said, Mom, why don't you use these, one for fabric softener and one for laundry detergent? And I said, you know what? That is a great idea. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my fabric softener in one of them and my laundry detergent in another. And then I'm gonna place that, but I wanna show you, let me go find it. This is the most scatterbrained video. This is what happens when you try to rush a video in the morning before you go pick up your friend. So y'all are gonna just have to excuse me about this, because I'm a little bit of a scatterbrain this morning. Okay, so I'm thinking for the middle, I'm gonna put a little greenery, just a little greenery, and a little chicken. I just thought it would look really cute. And then I have my Oxy booster. I have the one for the dark clothes because obviously I wear darks a lot and Angela wears darks a lot. And then I was just thinking, just a little bit of more decor or something. Wait, let me get it. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. I have the third one of these, and I just added, I love these. Don't you love these? I love these. They're just pegs. They're so cute. This one I'm gonna use as a vase, and I found this greenery. It's just some, I don't know, don't ask me from where. No. Okay, just to oomph it up a little bit, I'm gonna add this tray. I like this little tray on top of my dryer. These are my dryer sheets. I like to keep them in here nice and loose. You know, I learned a trick. If you put a dryer sheet inside your pillowcase in your pillow while you sleep at night, like when you do your bed, it actually makes the room smell good. And if you get lavender, it helps you sleep. So there's my little tip that I learned. So I'm gonna put that there. And of course we need decor, because you know, we have to have decor. So I have a third one. I have a third one of the pegs, the laundry room pegs. And I just put, you know, this faux greenery, and it's like a bushel. I probably got this from Michael's. I had it in my stash. So, and I think it's just enough greenery and just enough stuff. And then a little candle. And I have this candle. And I thought, you know what? I could keep the doors open while I do laundry sometimes because it's nice to look at now. Now it's very nice to look at. So if I put a candle and, you know, light the candle while I do the laundry, it'll make me feel motivated to do the laundry. So I'm going to take you off the tripod and show you what I've done. And y'all, this did not cost much money at all. And I think the transformation is massive. I'm gonna put the before and I'm gonna put the after. So let's see what it looked like before. Huge transformation. And the after. Okay, my sweet friends, that is the end of the video. And you know what? I love it. I love it. And I hope it gave you lots of inspiration. Lots of inspiration. Yes, I did spend a tiny bit of money. You have to. You have to spend a tiny bit of money to do this stuff. But I didn't spend that much. The decor I had, the jars I had, even those. Now, I'm going to go to Walmart later today because I got to do a grocery run. Because my friend's coming today and I need stuff. So I need my scent beads. I'll get more laundry detergent. I won't get fabric softener yet. I'll get that later. And I just think it turned out really good. So if you have a space like this and you want to make yourself feel good. I mean, who really loves to do laundry? I mean, I don't. I'm not a super fan of laundry. But at least this inspires me when I open these two doors that it's not, yucky. At least now it looks pretty. At least it's pretty. It's pretty, it's inspiring. It'll make me do laundry. It'll motivate me to keep it clean and organized. I can dust off my shelves really nicely and everything. And if you're interested in the color that I stained the shelves, it's called Slate by Minwax. So I'll leave it down in the description box if anybody's interested. And yeah, that's it. So this is gonna have to work out until we move. Hopefully, God willing. Yeah, so I think it's perfect. I think it turned out really cute, and I hope you like it. And I hope it motivates you. And I'll see you on Friday. I got a good video Friday. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful week ahead. And I love y'all. Bye, guys. Mwah.